Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making a raid with some fidgets. Just saying, this is for my schoolwork. Yeah. So here are the 3 groups of 5. So I've already done this unicorn one with some triple dimple and some spinners. I'm just going to be doing some with this dimple and this dimple. So for this dimple, I think I might either do my monkey or monkey noodles. Just try some monkey noodles. Yeah. So I found here. Yeah, so I have 4 monkey noodles, an orange monkey noodle, a yellow monkey noodle, a blue and a pink and blue monkey noodle. For the next one, I am going to be doing the dimples, just the normal dimple. I'm just putting these out. I'll be right back. So sorry about that. So now I'm just doing this puppet for a dimple, and so I have a few puppets. I don't have many though. Yeah. So I'm gonna do this among the puppets, this one puppet. Oh, yeah. And this plastic puppet. Yeah. I have heaps of fidgets. So this is all this photo. Now I'm going to send this photo to my teacher, and yeah, sorry for the background, I'm watching the Naruto. Okay, so